Hi, guys. Welcome to week 19 of grammar. This week, we're going to be getting back to our roots, so to speak, and we're going to put a little more time into writing. Now that we have live lessons for reading and math, unfortunately, there just isn't enough common time in the day for us to get together to do English. So, what I plan on doing moving forward is for some of our reading classes, since all of you that are doing the live readings also have English with me or grammar with me, we will take some time during those live reading lessons and we'll make that a grammar or English lesson. So we'll be able to work on our writing skills together, things like that. But for this week, we're just going to continue with the English Nearpods. Now, today and tomorrow, you are going to be doing paragraph writing and you'll be picking your own topic. Now, I understand that this is something that I'm really expecting quite often from you. However, we're doing it because we still continue to need to improve and get better. Now, I have on the beginning slides for this week the paragraph rules. I'm not going to go over those now. I want you to make sure that you follow those and you remember those as you write your paragraph. We should know these very well by now because these are the rules that make up what a paragraph is. There are certain types of sentences you have to write. If to start the week, now I have Nearpods for Monday and Tuesday. If you get a Zoom link from me or one of the paras, you will not be doing the Nearpod. They will be sending you a Zoom link so they can work with you one-on-one with your writing. If you don't get a Nearpod or a Zoom link, then you're just going to get into Nearpod and you're going to write that paragraph. I will let you know if you're going to be getting that link ahead of time, just to give you an idea. Wednesday, we don't have school. Teachers have a work day or an in-service day, so you guys have no school whatsoever, so you don't even have to check in for homeroom. Thursday, we're going to get into vocabulary A to Z again. Now, I know last week that was new, and for some of us, it was difficult. All right, and it was difficult because these are new words. These are words that we don't know, or if you've maybe heard of them, that's just it. You've heard of them, but you still really don't know what they are. Although these are games, these are important games that you need to pay attention to. The closer you pay attention to what's being asked of you, the easier the quiz at the end will be, because ultimately that quiz is showing me what you learned from the lesson. And what I could see last week is a lot of us kind of rushed through it a little bit because I know how long it's supposed to take you, and the computer actually showed me how much time it did take you. So slow yourselves down, listen to what they're asking for. If you're in class and don't understand, please ask somebody for help. If you are on the computer and don't understand, please send a chat to somebody so that we can help. Either way, vocabulary is an important part of reading comprehension. And then lastly, on Friday, we're just going to play a cool vocabulary game that I found. So Miss Townsend helped us out last week by finding some reading comprehension games. And then I happened to stumble across a vocabulary comprehension game that came from that site. So we're going to take Friday a little easier and just do a fun game. Nonetheless, we're still going to learn from it though. Questions, problems, or concerns, raise your hand, or if you're on the computer, send a chat. Otherwise, give a good effort on those paragraphs. I understand you're probably bored with it at this point. I understand writing may not be your favorite thing, but the better we get, the less we have to practice. So let's see what you can come up with. Have a good week.